my beautiful lovers, welcome to another video. Carrot jollof rice. Yes, carrot jollof rice is a very simple and easy recipe. I love carrot jollof rice this time around. Have you tried out this recipe? If you want to know how I prepared it, this is so delicious and healthy. Stay tuned and let's dive into this video. Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. In this video I'm going to share with you how I make my carrot jollof rice. Yes, carrot jollof rice. And this carrot jollof rice is going to be made with palm oil. So if you want to see the outcome and see how delicious this rice is going to look, please stay tuned to this video and don't go anywhere. And for my new and old subscribers, thank you all so much for the support. I appreciate you all for always tuning in. May the Lord God Almighty bless you. So without taking much time, let's go ahead. This is the type of rice I use. I use long rice because I prefer eating long rice. So not that I don't eat other rice, but I prefer this in my jollof and my fried rice and even stew rice. I'm going to pour in the rice. So we start by introducing the rest ingredients. Stay tuned. Of all, I have my turkey stock. I decided to prepare the turkey before fixing my camera so that we will not take much time in this video. I have this coconut milk powder mix. I love the aroma. I'm going to be adding it to my jollof rice. And this is my carrot. I'm going to be using this carrot. I have my green beans because I want to garnish this jollof rice with some healthy ingredients. I also have my crayfish. I have my meat. I have some little curry here. I have ginger. I have black pepper. I have rosemary. I also have oregano leaf. Yes, these are the items I mixed here. You can use ingredients of your choice. These are the choice of ingredients I want to add to this jollof rice. I have my salt and Maggi cube. I have my 3 Scotch bonnet pepper, and I have my red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and 1 large onions. I will be using this palm oil. I'm going to take from it. So let's go ahead with this video and stay tuned. Remember to always give this video a like. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to our channel to blend the ingredients that needs to be blended. I have my machine here already. We are going to start with the carrots. I'll be using this side to scrape the carrot first so that to not break my blender. Yes, I'm not joking with this blender at all. I'm going to start by scraping my carrots before blending. It has been washed and scraped. So it will be easy to blend this way. So guys, I finished scraping the carrot. I will start off by blending it right now. I have washed the rice. This is it. So guys, I enjoyed my palm oil rice with this method. There was a time I no longer enjoy palm oil rice anymore. I decided to be adding carrot to my palm oil jollof rice, and the method I am using now is so enjoyable. This is the second bag. I'll go and blend it as we continue the cooking. Go ahead and pour in the oil. At this time we'll add our onions. at this time I will add my bell pepper, my onions, and all the blended stuff apart from the carrot paste. We'll also add our carrot paste. We'll allow it to cook for 3 minutes before we add the rest ingredients. Stay tuned. So guys, this have been cooking for some minutes now. The bell pepper and the carrot paste, this is how it's looking. Ingredients, I'll be adding my meat seasonings. Also add my crayfish. Add my 2 Maggi cubes. So at this time, I'll be adding my rice as well. Yes, you cannot imagine the kind of color that we are going to be having from this jollof rice. That is the amazing part I love most. So I'll add my meat stock. So at this time we taste for salt. Okay. I'll be adding salt now because I didn't add salt at first because of the meat stock, so that I'll be adding my coconut powder. This is so good. If you have not tried it, just I'll also add my green beans. So I'll be covering it with my foil paper. Welcome back, guys. This have been cooking for some time now. I have been turning it behind the scene. Go and give this recipe a try, and I hope you love it. So guys, this will be the end of the video. If you love this video, you like what please remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you like what we do here. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you put on the notification bell in case anytime I put on a new video, you will be go and check out my carrot stew as well. You are going to love that recipe. And thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.